Today I am cooking cheesy stuffed mushroom, which is easy and simple appetizer. Take 5 to 6 big size mushroom, remove their stem and clean the cap from inside. Now fine chop stems and scooped mushroom together. Take butter and olive oil in a pan. Temper cumin seeds and saute garlic until turns brown. Green chilli is optional. Cover and cook for 2-3 minutes. Cook until everything turns soft. If you want, you can add some cheese at this moment. Now switch off the flame. In the same pan, put some olive oil and butter. Cover and cook on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Sprinkle some dry parsley on top. It's cheesy and soft from inside. Enjoy.